Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover files from a corrupted USB drive. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the best method for recovering files from a corrupted USB drive depends on the cause of corruption. For software-related issues, you can use built-in system tools like chkdsk on Windows or First Aid on Mac OS. If the drive is physically damaged or software fails, you will need specialized data recovery software or a professional service. So, you need to simply use the Windows error checking tool if you are using Windows. Open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Click on the right of the corrupted USB drive and select Properties. Go to Tools tab and click the check button under Error Checking. If errors are found, Windows will provide option to scan and repair the drive. Now, if you are using a data recovery software, you can simply have followed their instruction and simply recover your data. Or if you're using Mac OS, use the disk utilities First Aid. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.